place is enormous.
More people come from Europe, come from Asia. They come to Bangkok like a very popular and big market in Southeast Asia. If more people come, it means that we get more money, right? After we get more money, king number 3, he born on Tuesday. Before he died, he said that, hey, right now, Siam, before Bangkok we call Siam. Siam, we are so rich country. I want to do something big before I die. And then he thought, hey, I was born on Tuesday. My lucky Buddha is reclining Buddha. That's why king number 3 decided to build a reclining Buddha, but more stupa. This one like a cemetery, no? We keep the ashes or the bone of the people who passed away. The people from the royal family, we keep inside. Yes. The decoration by ceramic from China. 100 years ago, many boats from China come to Bangkok. They love to sell porcelain and ceramic. And king number 3, he want to say thank you to them. More people of them coming, we have more money. That's why when he saw ceramic are broke, he loved to decoration the temple like a thank you to coming. Built by king number 3 on 1742 or 1842 because we have more money by king number 3, no? And then the lucky Buddha for king number 3 too. Guy, the Buddha make of brick covered by bronze, and when we put the gold leaf cover the body of the Buddha, not a real gold. And also if you want not a real gold, the gold leaf. And also if you want to take a beautiful picture of the Buddha, may recommend you walk to the toe. You can see the whole body of the Buddha. And also we have a very beautiful picture, 108 picture. They believe that in the universe we have 108.
This is enormous. They said he's 43 meters long. The reclining Buddha.
We don't want to see any temple. We just want to visit temple because we believe that Obama he born on Tuesday. Obama come to Thailand so why? But we don't want to see any temple. We just directly to this temple. The first thing.
We like Obama. We don't like Trump.
No.
Too many trouble, no? Honey, we walk on the right side. I will take you to meet the beach in front of.
It's like coming to see the Mona Lisa, only this one's big. This is the Wat Pho temple.
This is
Why not you sit here and then sing to me?
So this is my temple. My temple is a standing Buddha, not like the one laying on its side, that lazy-ass Buddha that's Steve's, okay? This one is dignified and so on. So apparently the next temple we go into, we have to buy elephant pants. And because Steve's just an XL, his are only 100 and... How much are yours, Steve?
160.
160. I'm double XL, so I'm 180 pots, which is about $6. Expensive, a little less than $6. 500 baht. That's like $15. That's very expensive. That's because there's so many big white Western people that pay for it. So we're in a tuk-tuk going to what temple? Grand Palace Temple. Very, very expensive. $16 a person to get in, unless you're Thai, then it's free.